Welcome to another interesting video. Do you know why do we get tears in our eyes when we cut onion? Let's find out in this video. When onions grow, one of the things they absorb from the soil is sulfur. Onions then turn raw sulfur into an amino acid called sulfoxide. When you cut an onion, it releases sulfoxide, creating a gas. Receptors in your eyes then recognize the presence of an unfamiliar gas and communicate with your brain to start the tears flowing in order to help protect your eyes from this compound. And this is the real reason why cutting onions make you cry.